But I've gone 3 feet up so far, and you can see this. You see what it looked like from the top in the other video. Look at all this that comes out. There's a lot in there. So, put another rod on there and go up there again. Go at it again. Alright, we're going up. Now we're going to attach our end of the rod to it. Like so. See how it feels up. Go up some more. So far we only went up 6 feet. Let's put another rod on it. We're attaching another 3-foot section, so now we're about 9 feet up. I think the top of the roof goes to 12. So after this one, we'll unloose and then we'll go from the top and then we'll brush down. Here we go. See that? Back in this. Okay, we're going to try to get this in 5 minutes. So now what I'm going to do is take this 9 feet. Set this right here while I pull this all the way out. Try to. Okay, now we're gonna set this up to go up to the top now. This back little bit that's in there, we're gonna have 9 feet. Stick with me. Let's get this all set in there, situated. With the vacuum, connect right there. It already sucked some stuff in. Let's go up top now. Okay, so the ladder is situated. So let's go up top and get this good footage and educational purposes. It kind of helps for those DIYers, right? And also, if you want to just see how the process is done. So initially here we are at the top. You can see that it's sucking all the way down. And we're gonna go ahead and vacuum down now. We already took this out from the top right here, what you see. So let's go ahead and get to it. Put this in there. Go. Vacuum it down now. It also does need this other little lint and stuff, this other debris that's sitting around right here. So let it go through here, up into the vacuum. But there we go, there we have it. That, so we're cleaning out that right there. So, cleaned out, and we're gonna bring it all the way up, 9 feet out. There we go. Another Supreme clean. And yeah, that's sucking really good. You see this part right here got all the stuff got removed and went up in here and then put into here. There we go. So for dryer vent cleaning, visit us at allterrain.com. You know the slogan, clean never gets old. And for the Supreme Clean, 916-549-5255. Make that phone number ring. Or you can schedule by visiting allterrain.com. The link's down in the description. Thank you.